Okay. Okay, now you have to find here either these are pressure, sorry, either these are vector or scalar.
Hmm. Right, can I just write S or V? S or V?
Yes, okay, no problem.
Okay. No? What? I should take the context. Okay.
Hmm.
These are my answers.
Okay, very good. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's try one more. Here's
Okay.
a true and false. The thing which is mentioned here and you think that's not fine or that's not easy, okay, just skip it.
Here you go, sir.
Done.
Yeah, these are the only things that I think we have
Okay, no
discussed.
problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. A vector is composed of magnitude and direction. Mass is a vector and weight is scalar. No. Parallel vector opposite to each other. Just leave it. Physics uses scalar and vector to describe motion.
They
Oh,
only use vectors only, vectors only.
fine. Okay. Vector multiplied by a scalar is a scalar quantity. Vector multiplied by scalar, it's a scalar quantity. No, it's a vector quantity. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Very good. Good attempt.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. This is a little revision to you now. Now you will type your answer here, okay?
Okay.
What is quantity in physics? What is a unit?
Okay.
Come on.